So I want to talk to y'all today about the DeWalt clamp spanner. This is great for us who have to do reframes on remodels. We don't want to make a lot of noise or mar the wood. Basically, you have a long clamp range here, and the non-marring tip flips around to the other end for a large spanning area. That's awesome. As far as I know, there's not a whole lot of other clamps on the market that can do this, and I'll be upgrading most of my clamp collection to these DeWalts shortly. The clamping pressure is pretty good. Doubles as a workbench clamp, of course, a hold down. You guys know that. A very solid clamp in my opinion, with removable non-marring pads.